2018 Toyota Tacoma SR5 Crew Cab remainder of factory warranty, service record available, good tires, good brakes, recent trade-in, rear backup camera, Bluetooth hands-free, Sirius XM, navigation GPS nav, lane monitor alert, premium sound, SR5 package, sliding rear window, regular service intervals, sway warning system, dynamic radar cruise control, Toyota safety sense, composite bed deck rail system, 16x7J plus 30 style steel disc wheels, 6 speakers, ABS brakes, active cruise control, air conditioning, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, anti-whiplash front head restraints, auto high beam headlights, axle ratio, 4.30, brake assist, CD player, daytime running lamps, distance pacing cruise control, dynamic radar cruise control, electronic stability control, front fog lamps, front fog lights, illuminated entry, low tire pressure warning, navigation system, outside temperature display, overhead console, panic alarm, power door mirrors, power steering, power windows, radio, and Tune Plus AM/FM/CD with connected navigation, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry system, speed control, speed sensing steering wheel mounted audio controls, tachometer, telescoping steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, traction control, trip computer, variable intermittent wipers, variably intermittent wipers. Recent arrival. Carfax One Owner. Your safety is our top priority. We are constantly sanitizing our offices, showroom, etc. Our delivery drivers will sanitize the vehicle before taking it to you. Drivers will wear a mask and gloves and will re-sanitize the vehicle before exiting. Any remaining paperwork will be carefully handled and delivered to the customer for completion, all while maintaining a safe social distance of at least 6 feet. If you require additional safeguards, please reach out to our team. Contact us at in-store at 770-729-4827 or online at www.heritagevolkswagen.com and see how easy it is to buy a vehicle at Heritage Volkswagen.